Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to unlock chat on WhatsApp. So we lock our chat using fingerprint. Now we are going to unlock it on WhatsApp. You see lock chat folder and then you see lock icon. So click on it and then you see WhatsApp unlock to continue. Scan your fingerprint, use pattern, and then you see we are in lock chat, my files. So we are going to unlock chat. So open chat. Now chat is open. On top you see my files or name. So click on it and then you see option chat lock. Lock and hide this chat on this device. Now you see option enable. So we are going to disable it. So click on it. Again you see confirm face or fingerprint. Scan your fingerprint. Use pattern to unlock this chat. So press. Now you see we unlock chat on WhatsApp. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.